Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll share with you guys how to make this magical serum at home. This serum is magical face serum which makes your skin glowing, hydrating and nourishing. And the thing which makes this serum magical is that it removes your pimples, acne and acne scars problem permanently at home within just few uses of this face serum. So this serum is highly effective in removing the pimples, acne scars and the uneven skin tone from your skin and will make your skin really glowing, hydrated and deeply moisturized. So now let's see how to prepare this magical serum easily at home. So to prepare this serum, we firstly gonna need vitamin E oil, and here I'm taking 2 teaspoons of vitamin E oil in a clean bowl. Next up you're gonna need glycerin, and now I'm adding 1.5 teaspoons of glycerin into it. After adding the glycerin, we'll just give a good stir to it so that both the ingredients could mix easily. And now we are adding the next ingredient, which is the aloe vera gel. And now I'm adding half a teaspoon of aloe vera gel into it. And now after adding the aloe vera gel, we are gonna need rose water. And here I'm adding approx 1 teaspoon of rose water into it. And after adding the rose water, just give a good mix to all these ingredients so that they all mix with each other nicely. And after mixing all these ingredients, now it's the time to add the last ingredient, which is the tea tree essential oil. And here I'm adding 5 to 6 drops of tea tree essential oil into it. And after adding this oil, I'm again mixing all the ingredients very nicely to make it of smooth consistency. And after mixing all the ingredients really well, your homemade magical serum is ready. This magical serum is perfect to remove the acne, pimples, acne scars and dark spot problem from your skin, as it has all the natural ingredients which will deeply hydrate your skin as well as remove all the pimples and acne from your skin in just few days. And to store this serum, you need any airtight container. Here I'm just taking this glass container, which is a dropper. So I've just stored this serum into this glass dropper, and to use this serum is supremely easy. You just need to apply a few drops of this serum onto your fingertips. Just massage it between your fingertips and apply it onto your skin, and gently massage your skin for few seconds in circular motion so that the serum goes deeply into your skin and gives you the best results. So you have to use this serum 2 times a day, one in the morning and the other before going to bed for best results. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.